Hey, I wanted to show you the yarn that I dyed in that other video. This is the yarn that's been sitting overnight. Look at how pretty that is. I mean, the colors deepen and darken and just look better if you let them sit overnight. But this is really the best part. These are mini skeins for a class that I'm going to teach this weekend, and I wanted to have some extras so I could give the students because I can't dye 25 skeins in the water. But check this out. Look at that. All exhausted. All exhausted. You'll see the reflection from the stainless steel, but this is 100% exhausted, and I teach you how to do this in my class. Once you learn the fundamentals and the math, it will all make sense, and you can do this over and over and over again. So the dye class is at the Camaj School of Fiber Arts, and you can dye just like this. Okay, let me go rinse it out, and then I want to show you something else. Okay, so the next thing I do is I want to wash this yarn, and I always use cold water because I use leveling acid dyes, and you always want to use cool water to wash your yarn, your sweater, whatever you do. Okay, so I'm going to use a little bit of Kookaburra Wash. You can use any gentle soap that you might wash your fine sweaters in. All right, then I'm just going to take it out and set it in the wash bucket. And there we go. So it's going to be rinsed, and I will put this in the wash bucket, and then I'll rinse out the soap, and then I'll put it in my spin dryer, and yep, then that's it. Then I'll hang it up to dry, not in the sun. Okay, here's another little tip. This water here is acid, and if you put this in your down your drain, it might corrode the pipe. So you're going to put a little bit of baking soda in it. So just put a little bit of baking soda in the water. It doesn't take much, and just stir it up, and then put this down your drain, and you will save your pipes. Here's the yarn soaking in the water. See, there's no bleeding whatsoever. Really, if you really want to dye yarn and not have any bleeding, take my dye class at the Camaj School of Fiber Arts, and I will teach you how to exhaust all these really difficult colors, even turquoise and pinks and magentas and things like that. All right, so let me throw this in my spin dryer, and then I'll show you the final result. And there's the finished yarn. Hey, listen, if you want to dye yarn like an indie dyer, those indie dyers know exactly the amount of dye to use for the weight of yarn they have. They know exactly how much acid to put in because they're using calculations. And my class will absolutely show you those calculations. And you can be an indie dyer too and maybe start your own business. All right, come and visit me at the Camaj School of Fiber Arts or Camaj FIber Arts for fiber. And I hope you learned something today, and I will talk to you soon. Bye now.